Let me show you how to seamlessly connect your QuickBooks account to ezLoads. Let's get started. Connecting QuickBooks. First of all, go to My Company. Click Integrations. And under Accounting, you will find QuickBooks. Click Connect. Sign in using your QuickBooks admin credentials. And select the company you want to integrate with, ezLoads. And that's it. Now, ezLoads will automatically match your data with your QuickBooks database. Just click Start Matching. Once connected, ezLoads retrieve vendor data from QuickBooks. If vendor names match exactly, they will be automatically matched. If they don't match, like in this example, you can manually select the corresponding vendor from the drop-down menu. Don't forget to select the corresponding QuickBooks category and QuickBooks payment account, as these fields are mandatory. Click Save, and your vendors are now matched. Exporting settlement to QuickBooks. Go to Driver Payroll, select the settlements, and click Batch Actions. Export to QuickBooks. If all vendors are matched, you can proceed immediately. But if a vendor is not linked, click Match QuickBooks Vendors. Select the correct one and save. Once everything is set, select Continue. A window will appear showing what ezLoads will send to QuickBooks. Payments recorded in ezLoads, including advance payments and regular payments, will be sent to QuickBooks as expenses. Any remaining unpaid balance, referred to as balance due in ezLoads, will be sent to QuickBooks as a bill. Click Export to QuickBooks to finalize the process. On the pop-up window, you will see the items being sent to QuickBooks. Next to each entry, a success message will indicate that it has been successfully processed. Now the export is confirmed and the gray icon turns green. You can also check the last export date and time under Export to QuickBooks in the settlement details. Exporting individual settlements. To match a single settlement in Driver Payroll, open the settlement and click Export to QuickBooks. If the vendor is not linked, click Match QuickBooks Vendors, or create a new vendor in QuickBooks. Once matched, click Save and proceed with exporting. If the settlement has already been paid, the balance due will be 0 and will not be sent. Click Export to QuickBooks and a success message will confirm the process is complete. And that's it. Quick, easy, and seamless. Now your QuickBooks integration is all set up and you're ready to go. Need extra help? Reach our support team at support@ezloads.net. Enjoy using ezLoads.